It's finally time for my favorite tutorial of the month, Toasty Baddie makeup. With first step, we prepare our lid for makeup, and with second one, we start to build our shape. One of the things you can use when you building shape, you can start with outer corner where it's the most pigmented point, and start with applying a little bit there, and after that blending everything where you need. This will actually give you the color grading that you need for smoky eye look. And for the middle, I go only with leftovers. I don't use new pigment because after we'll also have layering on this part. We are moving to the lower lash line, and when you work on your lower lash line, don't pull it downward, it makes your eye look sad. Keep everything slightly lifted instead. In next step, we are applying our black eye pencil. If you want a softer look, go for brown one, but work quickly, apply and blend right away. If the pencil sets, it will be much harder for you to blend it. And remember, wooden pencils are easier to blend, but they are less long lasting. And if you want to make sure it will last longer, you just need to apply eyeshadows on top. And we'll do it in the next step, but now blend and blend really well. And as we move on to the eyeshadow, I really hope you're enjoying this tutorial, and if you are, don't forget to subscribe. I share lots of makeup tutorials, beauty and transformation videos. And by the way, I also some sort of take care about your budget too, because I share a lot of tutorials with affordable makeup like this palette I'm using today. This one is from Rival and it costed me less than €6. Yes, it won't give you that luxury shimmer, but for matte looks with a touch of sparkle, it works really well. So yes, I'm from ones who really believe that makeup doesn't have to be expensive. Next step is optional. I decided that I want to have it a little bit darker, but if you love this more soft look, just go like this. And by the way, this is why I like to play with more budget-friendly makeup sometimes, because it won't give you this crazy pigmentation. It's really more like beginner-friendly. And of course, cherry on top is to brighten our inner corners of the eyes. And for the next step, step 8, you'll need a little bit of concealer, and just be really gentle with this one because you don't want to go too close to your makeup. But believe me, if you master this thing, you will make your looks look so much more expansive, so much better. Let me know what kind of tutorial you want to see next, and of course, let me know what you think about this look.